In this video, I'll show you how to fix it when you try to run a script or a program in Ubuntu. You get an error that says, "No such file or directory." But when you look in the folder, the file is there. First, the file might have the wrong type of line endings. If you created the file in Windows, it may have Windows-style line endings. Ubuntu needs Unix-style line endings. To fix this, you need a tool called dos2 Unix. Open the terminal and type sudo apt install dos2 Unix. Wait for it to be installed. After it installs, run this command to fix your script file, dos2 Unix script.sh. Replace script.sh with your file name. Now, try running your script again. Another reason for the error is that the file was built for a different system. For example, your system is 64-bit, but the file is for ARM or another architecture. You can check this by running filescript.sh replace script.sh with your file name. If it says something like ARM executable, but you are on a different system, the file will not run. You need to get the correct version for your system. Following these steps will help you fix the error. Thanks for watching.